Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Seddy, and if it's your first time here, keep watching. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make this beautiful centerpiece for my dining table. Keep watching and let's dive right into the video. So what we'll be needing for this project are some cones, some pine grass, candles, candle holders, some artificial mini trees, some stars, water glasses, 3 water glasses, 3 candle holders, and we are going to be needing a pine tray for this project. So those are my candle holders. Everything we need is from the Dollar Tree. Basically, if you don't have a Dollar Tree where you live, go to your craft shop. Most craft shops are always on the budget. You have the $1 shop, the €1 shop. So this is what you're going to be needing. Also, you are going to be using your glue gun to glue everything together, and don't forget to wear gloves. You need to protect your hands because sometimes the glue from the glue gun can drop on your hands, and that is very hot. Make sure to protect your hands for this project. I'll start by spraying the cones. I'm using this glitter spray because I want my cones to have that glitter. It's Christmas, and for this design we are going to be using mostly the calm colors. I don't want any reds and yellows. I'm trying to avoid overpowering colors. I just want it to fit my house decor. I'm trying to arrange the pieces first before I glue them together to see where everything fits, so I am sure before I start gluing. I'm going to go in now and start with the mini trees. I'll place them, hold them down, and they just fit right with the glue. Put some glue under Santa's feet and place him behind the tree because he's a little bit taller. I want everything to have balance. That's why I had to measure everything first before I start gluing. Now with the glasses, I'm going to spray the edges with that glitter spray because I want it to have that snow and glitter effect at the bottom. Let it be like it's snowy inside the glass, and I'll continue gluing my pieces together while everything that has been spray painted dries off. For the mini pieces, you need to hold them down firmly so they don't pop out. I measured once more to be sure that everything fitted properly after it has been dried, and that's the effect of the snow and the glitter I sprayed. For this piece, I want the sleigh to be a little bit slanted, like it's hanging on the tree, so I'm trying to adjust that, and I have to hold that down for it to dry. I'll go in now and place my glasses, and our piece has started coming together. Look at that snow shiny effect. I'll put some glue on the tray, and I'm going to start attaching my pine grass to the bottom of the tray. Remember, your pine grass has a wire, so when you are attaching it, you can just bend it to whatever direction it suits you, and everything is going to fall in place properly. I want the grass to be along the glass so that it's going to be like it grew naturally. And also make sure you glue it and hold it in place because that's a wire, and it needs to get dry before it can hold. I'm done attaching it, and I'm going to go in now with my cones and hold them down also firmly to make sure they get dry. I decided to use only the white cones because I just found it more uniform and more aesthetically pleasing with this project. The brown cones, I'm going to use that for another project. I'm going in with a cord, and I want to tie this at the bottom of the glass to give it a beautiful finish. Pull that out, cut, and just tie a beautiful bow at the bottom of the glass. I did not want to attach the glass to the bottom of the tray because during another season I may want to reuse this and the glass will be firmly attached. I may want to change the design, and so I decided not to attach the glass to the tray. Cut the remaining cuts and make sure they are uniform. Go in and place all your stars at the sides of the glass. Also try not to overdo it, just a little goes a long way. Remember, less is more. I went in with some 2 last pieces from a leftover project, just the gift box. Attached it to the front, and also I used this little ball and attached it to the front. I wanted everything to be uniform. And now I'm going in with some strong bonding glue to glue my candle holders to the bottom of the glass. And now I'm going to place in my candles. Because these candles were so tiny, I had to attach them with some glue, and I poured in some glitter sand to hold them in place and make it more aesthetically pleasing. And this is my final product. Look at that on my dining table. I did not want too much of decoration since we will be eating on this table. And that is it. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and above all, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.